1, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Excuse me. And today we're doing Leather and Lace by Stevie Nicks, Don Henley. Great song on the acoustic. Perfect. Anyway, let's start with putting a capo on first fret, please. The song is in the D shape. They start with this lick that goes, so that's open A and 2A, and then we're gonna hit a D9, which is first finger here, third finger here, so open E string, okay? And then we got this C. So that's second finger 3A, 3. Move down a half, so B over G. Keep these guys where they are. And then we have A over G. And then we have a G. Keep these guys where they are. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. So G, and then F sharp over G to A. This A. See, these guys are staying. C, B over G, A over G, G major, F sharp over G, and A sus. Strumming is bass down, and then let's see, bass down, up, down, up. That walk up to the G, so that's open E, 2, and then G. And then we have the chorus, G to A, that's it. A sus. Of the chorus, they just stay a little longer on the they just repeat G, F sharp to A. with a brilliant tune and fun to play, right? Okay, thanks folks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, be well. Thank you.